How to get a Snapchat account back after being permanently locked. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Snapchat account back after being permanently locked. First, navigate to the help.snapchat website on your web browser. Then, it will show you different problems on Snapchat that you can solve by selecting any of them. By selecting the locked account option, you will see that an account can be temporarily or permanently locked. If your account is temporarily locked, you can try logging back in via the app or on the web by going here and selecting Unlock. If this method doesn't unlock your account, please wait 48 hours, then try logging in again. These methods may not work in some cases, such as when accounts have been permanently locked. If you've seen a message that the account has been permanently locked, Snapchat has detected some activity that violates their community guidelines or terms of service. So, it has locked your account and may have removed your content. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.